Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Dreame Matrix10 Pro. If you're interested in the Matrix10 Pro, the link to it will be in the video description, as well as links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, and our daily vacuum deals. So be sure to shop those links in the description. So we have the Matrix10 Pro selected right here. We're going to hit go. This is going to take us into the main screen and settings where we have our current map. On the right-hand side of the screen, right above the camera icon, so in that middle quadrant on the right-hand side, there's a map with pencil icon. You're going to select that, and this takes us to all of our map settings. First, we have our map editing, and then we have our map display tab. So in the map display, you can choose different things to enable or disable on the screen. What do you want to show or what do you not want to show? 2D or 3D viewing, and then you can also rotate your map 90 degrees. Then we have map editing. So we'll start at the top. We're currently on map 1. We can rename, backup, restore, or delete this map. Right above the delete icon, we have map management. So we can choose our house type, single or multi-floor. If you select multi-floor, then you can save multiple maps. You can choose how you want it to switch between those maps, automatically or manually. And then here's our current map. We can rename, backup, restore, or delete. We can adjust cleaning order, furniture, room partitions, no-go zones, and floor material. And right below that, we can select create map, where then we can have it clean and map or just do a fast map. And that's how you add multiple maps for like upstairs, downstairs, you get the idea. But let's look at these options. First is cleaning order. For this particular model, since we have 3 different mop pads and cleaning solutions, we have different icons right here, A, B, or C to select, right? So what do you want? Which mop do you want? So greasy, damp areas for regular areas. A, B, or C. So pick and choose for each individual one. And then you can drag and reorder the cleaning order. So where do you want to always start first, second, third, all the way to the end, right? So that's how you adjust that right there. Very nice. Then if you want to add furniture to your map, you can do this. I personally don't, but if you wanted to add furniture, you have all of your furniture options there. Then we have our room partitions. If you need to readjust any room, you can merge, divide, hide, or rename a room. Then we have our no-go zones and virtual walls. So it walks you through how to handle those, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. So here's a virtual wall, just a line, like a wall. Here's a no-go zone, drag and drop, and everything can be repositioned, resized. And then here's a no-mop zone. So in the no-mop zone, it'll still vacuum in that area, it just won't mop. In the no-go zone, it won't vacuum or mop in that area. And then lastly, we have our floor material here. So we can select a room, hit floor material, and then from here you have tile, floor horizontal, floor vertical, or others. So you can adjust that as needed in your map right there. We'll go back out. And down below, I call these map settings because the first ones are cleaning options. So we can actually select different zones to clean, and then we can clean that zone up to 3 times. I believe we can add up 10 zones at one time to clean on your map, which is cool. We can clean everywhere on the map, or we can just select different rooms, and it'll just clean those rooms. So the map's really useful that way. In the top right-hand corner, settings gear icons to the left of the X. And then at the very top right-hand corner again, we have the search icon. You can just search map, and you can see all of the map options right here. Right? So if you want to get to map switching, create a map, fast mapping, all of that can be found again that way, or through the little map with pencil icon. So overall, there's a lot of map settings and features for this particular model.